Hi teachers! In this tutorial we'll cover how to evaluate student exams in the exam module. First, log into your account. Open the exam module. Click Evaluate Exam. All the exams will be listed here. You can search or filter them by name, date, class, subject or type. Click the Evaluate option next to the exam you want to evaluate. All the student names will be listed here. You can filter them by name. Or filter by class, or filter by status. I'm choosing Pending Evaluation. Here, all the students who have submitted will be listed. Click on a student to view the answer sheet. You can see the student's answers and the correct answers you set during exam creation. To evaluate manually, enter marks and feedback in the remark fields. Then click Save. Next is the descriptive question, which you can evaluate manually or with AI. To use AI evaluation, click AI Evaluate. Then the system fills remarks automatically. Review and edit if needed. Enter the marks. Then click Save. The mark is updated here. And the status is changed to Evaluated. Now, select the next student, repeat the process for each one, and save after every evaluation. For the first question, the answer matches the correct answer, so the system will set the mark. You can edit if needed and save. Next, evaluate the following question the same way. After completing the evaluations, select the students by checking the boxes next to their names. Then click Publish Results to release their scores. Or you can wait until the remaining students have submitted before publishing. For now, I'm going to publish the results for the students I've already evaluated. So let's click on Select All. This will automatically select only the students who have already been evaluated. Then click Publish to release their results. After publishing, you can see here that the status has changed to Result Published. Even after publishing, you can edit the marks and republish the updated results. To do this, select the student and click either Reevaluate with AI or the Reset button under the answers. Then update the mark or review and click Save. You can see that the mark has been updated. Finally, select the student and publish again to release the revised result. The mark has now been updated. Thank you.